Today I'm trying to paint a waterfall. So first we paint this all dark blue. I'm going to blend with the sponge. Now I'm making a waterfall. Its colour is white. Now I'm painting stones. Now I'm making some branches on the tree. Now I'm making some dots like a flower. This is how my waterfall turned out. Bye! Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a hedgehog. And this is how it's going to look like after. If you want, you can add some blue sky. If you want, you can comment down below what yours is going to look like, and make sure you smash that like button.